I realized what's going on here. Oh yes, I realized it. I was always wondering, I was always curious. I think I got it figured out. The Philippines might be more humid than Florida. With all the videos I've watched and the people in YouTube, I was always wondering, why is everything so gray? It's the humidity fogging up the lens. I just realized that. Didn't take too long. Didn't take too long. I think I need to walk down there and check out that water. So what am I gonna do my very first day? The first morning after waking up in the Philippines? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna relax and eat and drink and enjoy the pool, maybe the beach, check out everything around here that I can do on today's video, work on some trips to other islands. That's everything that's gonna happen today. Today is a planning day and a relaxation around the resort day. Should be fun. I'm joining you to tag along, to swim along, if you will, with me. Let's go. Would you guys look at this place? How beautiful. I can't believe I went to bed, 10 o'clock last night, 10 o'clock Philippine time. I woke up at 10 o'clock in the morning. I slept half my day away. This is terrible. I feel bad. First day in the Philippines, just sleeping like a log. Sleeping like a dead fish right here in the ocean. Oh, check this out. So there is a tide chart that knows you when it's high tide, low tide. So 4:30 was the last high tide, and 162 is the next one now, or later. So 3 o'clock we have a low tide. So that means if you want to go in the water, you got to get out there now. Oh, that is some pretty water right there. That is some pretty water. So it's like Jamaica, because just past this seawall is people, and they're trying to sell you stuff. They go, pardon me, and then they peek up from behind this wall, and they try and say, you want to go swimming with the whale sharks? Do you want to take a boat out into and see all of Lapu-Lapu? Do you want to go, whatever you want to do, hike the waterfalls? You know, they got deals. They sound pretty expensive, but the more people you get, the cheaper it is what he said. So I am gonna, that's one of the things I'm looking into. I told him not yet, I'm shopping. So he wouldn't go to my price. Motorcycles, motorcycle was 10,000 pesos, and I said, no, maybe 5,000 pesos, and he goes, no, 10,000. Man, so I know there's cheaper places out there. I'm doing this trip smart. I am not going to just blow the cashola while I'm here. It was funny. He goes, hey, you got a Thai wife, a Thai girlfriend, or not Thai, Philippine girlfriend? I go, no. One thing, I'm the hippie. Nobody wants this. Nobody wants none of this. But then again, I told him, I said, you know, when you're single, you could go do what you want. You can hop on an airplane. You can fly to crazy destinations like this, meet incredible people. But you gotta, the family, when the kids are all grown up and you're finally out of a relationship and everything like that, you can go do what you want to do. And you got that freedom to travel, freedom to just jump in the water if you want to. I mean, I'm not going to jump in the water just yet, but you got that freedom. So no, he goes, well, if you want a wife, and I go, or a girl, or a companion, I go, no, I appreciate it, but no, I thank you anyway. And because there's things I want to do. I mean, there's other things I'd like to do, obviously, but you just can't do them by yourself. I mean, you can't, then you have to worry about what someone else wants. Though I wouldn't care what she wanted. I'd probably do what she wanted. Wow, hippie, a solo trip around the world. I just noticed something. Look it up there in that coconut tree. Can I get it? They got coconuts in there. But that's not what's crazy is, look how tall their coconut tree is compared to ours in Florida. All right, that was my first time down to the water. I'm gonna go try and grab something to eat, and then we're gonna go ahead and check out what this place has to offer, because like I said, I haven't even had a cup of coffee yet, and I already got bombarded with people trying to, hey, do you want this? Do you want to do that? And let me have my coffee. I have to say, this place for the price, outstanding. Last night when I got in here, it was dark and everything had these like light, quaint light glows underneath the sidewalks and the pool, and the pool had that watery glow. It was just it was something to behold for the first time to see it. But once the sun comes up, this place just becomes like a high-class Disney resort without the high-class Disney prices. Black coffee, yeah.
No sugar, no milk?
No, I just need to wake up. That'll wake me up. Oh, go ahead. No. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
This is white. Now, like I said in my last video that you guys probably hopefully watched, I do get free breakfasts. This today would have been my first free breakfast, but it's 11:15 in the morning. That's a little too late for breakfast. I think they close at 10, so I am just going to enjoy and sip on some coffee, wake up, and then see if we can not start making some plans. Need to find the laundry. 3 days or 2 days on an airplane, I went through some laundry already. Like to wash some clothes and then go explore. Wow, it's so hot.
Yeah.
Oh, water, that's good too. That kind of offset everything. I woke up too late, man. They brought the tickets for breakfast. I ain't getting up that early to have breakfast.
You can eat the breakfast.
It's past 10 o'clock.
It's okay. We'll make for you.
No, the cook will probably get angry.
No. It's okay. Didn't.
You say it's okay till they get mad.
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go get my ticket.
No problem. Room number?
I don't know. 224? I can go get it. It's no big deal.
224.
Yeah, I can go get it. That way you don't bill it. Or what the? You sure? What? They're gonna do breakfast anyway. I see something. It reminds me very much of Hawaii, but not. Really?
Yeah, you can choose. Filipino, Western.
What's the Filipino? I'm trying to. This pork.
Choices of native chorizo, beef tapa, pork tocino, buwan danggit.
And then this here is costabella breakfast, fresh fruit. What is that?
French toast.
Oh, that's French toast?
Yeah.
French toast, bacon,
Maybe
pork, ham.
Bacon or pork ham. Yes. Bacon, ham, corned beef.
Could I? That's kind of a lot. Let's start off with that breakfast first.
The costabella.
Yeah, the costabella.
Okay, what you want? Bacon?
That's ham or bacon?
Yeah.
They're both good. I don't know. You choose. You choose. I like both. So.
You like both?
Yeah, I like pork. So.
Bacon.
Okay. And the scrambled or sunny side? That's scrambled, right?
Yeah.
Okay, scrambled's good.
Scrambled. Your fruit?
I get to choose a fruit? Normally it's all in a bowl.
Watermelon, pineapple, banana.
Watermelon, pineapple, banana. Let's go pineapple.
Pineapple. Juice. Guava juice, mango juice.
Let's go mango.
Mango. Okay, that's all.
That's a lot. All right, thank you. I'm already trying to lose weight, and you're gonna. All right, well, thank you. So, wow, this is crazy. But like I was saying, there's some things here that remind me similar of Hawaii. But Hawaii had tiki gods, right? They have tiki gods. But check this out. This would have been my breakfast right here. but it's closed. But look at this over here. See, things like that, just hidden in the bamboo and stuff, just remind me of Hawaii. Yes, I got it from the table to show you that. That's stupid, right? I find the stupidest things awesome. I knew I should have left my phone off. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. But I can't help myself. You go away, you bring your phone with you, you get addicted to it. You don't realize until you get to somewhere where you really don't have access to that stuff how addicted you are to it. Pineapple. Mango juice.
Thank you for waiting.
And breakfast. Oh, shoot. There you go. Well, thank you so much. That looks good.
Princess.
That's the coolest French toast I've ever seen, I think.
Bacon, pork ham.
You got both.
Yeah, I think those for you.
Hey, gracias, senor. All right, so it's breakfast time. So this is what we're working with here. We got the pineapple, which I've been chowing on. And then this right here is French toast. Now, I don't know, it's the coolest looking. Everything has to be homemade, I'm assuming. I've never seen French toast that look like that. Eggs, bacon, and ham. And coffee, the most important things in the world, coffee. First thing I gotta try is I need to try that French toast. You know what's really weird though, is I watch everybody's videos over here and every food comes with rice. They say, you know, breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything is rice. I did not get any rice with my breakfast. But this French toast, no syrup. It looks like there's no syrup needed. Oh my God. That's good. Okay, I am done. Look how beautiful this place is. Now, I don't want to screw anything up and have a huge tab at the end of my stay. They gave me 14 free meals here. And they asked what room I was at. So, because I didn't have the papers with me. I mean, I just woke up. I was just going down to shoot video of the beach. But I noticed I was hungry and it was too late for lunch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get one of those little tabs and I'm going to give it back to my waiter. That way, at the end of my stay, they don't say, uh-oh, you owe 1,000 US dollars or something in food that should have been free. I also think I am going to go hatless. And why not? It's a lot easier to jump in the pool. Do it. Now we can say, welcome to Fantasy Island. Now, I've had coffee, I've had breakfast. Now I think it's time to do a little exploring or jump at the pool. I don't know. Whatever happens today, it's just going to be doing whatever I want. And I am going to take the opportunity to thank a couple people that reminded me, hey, sometimes you need to put that camera down and enjoy yourself. So I will be doing that on this trip. But I'm definitely going to be having to make some videos because that's why I came here. That's why I came to the Philippines, to meet people, to see cool things, and record them. What is this? This is our lounge area. How nice. You could just come here in the middle of the rainstorms, relax, let it rain. This is something special. I'm not kidding, look at this place. It is like I'm Mr. Rourke on Fantasy Island. Welcome, welcome to Fantasy Island. As much as I liked Ricardo Montalban, that character was kind of creepy, right? Right? Now we do have bicycles here we could take and go anywhere we want to. I think for up to an hour. So I can hop on a bicycle, but don't know if I'm going to be doing that right away. I just kind of want to walk around and see what this place has to offer. Okay, that is just something unique. And so are you. Quite unique. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. We have an on-site club. There, if you do smoke, you're encased in a big chunk of glass, and you just sit in there. And I'd hate to, you know what? I might come over here tonight and see how many people smoke and see if it just looks like a big fishbowl of smoke. Okay, sorry guys. That's better. Yeah, the humidity is no joke. When I went up here to take my hat and stuff off, I slapped my other Ray-Bans on, the sunglassy ones, and right when I walked outside, boom, I couldn't see nothing. And then I noticed my camera did the same thing. And my camera's been outside all morning, but because it went inside AC and then back outside, well, fog happens. So for those of you that don't know where I'm at already, because I don't believe I announced it, it is the Costabella, I keep wanting to say RV resort, but this is not an RV resort. This is just a resort, a Philippines resort in Cebu on the island of Lapu-Lapu, Mactan. It's a pretty amazing place, and this is my very first, you know, normally I know what I want to do and what I want to say on camera. I just don't know what to say right now because all I can say is, wow. It's very much like home in Florida, but it's not like Florida. Weather-wise, temp-wise, if that makes any sense. And hopefully it does. It's like if you mixed Florida and Louisiana together temperature-wise, that's kind of what you get here.